Morning everyone. Another beautiful morning here in Armagh. But myself and Kieran, we're going to head away for a couple of days on the bikes. And we're going to head down to Westport. A beautiful wee town in the west of Ireland. We're going to do it and then we're going to head up to the likes of Achill Island, maybe Black Sword on the north, and then come back.
Ah, you bitch! I slap your ass, boy.
Hey, look it, we're going away for a couple of days. We'll take you along for the spin. It's a fantastic, a beautiful part of the world. And I hope you enjoyed the trip. Talk to you later.
Well, everyone, how are we keeping? Alrighty then. So, as the big man said, we are doing Achill Island today, and to say I am beyond excited is an understatement. I have done this run a couple of times in the car, but I have never done this on a bike, and I am dying to do it. So, first things first, we are going to be driving directly to Westport. So, me and Dad tend to do quite big spins. We don't tend to stop too often. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head off, and our first stop is going to be in Barry, which is just outside Roscommon, which is pretty much halfway between ourselves and Westport. Here we come. Got the good. Thank you, Daddy.
I want the almonds.
All right, calm down.
You take the full ones.
Jesus.
Enjoy your spin now.
Oh, lovely. Not a bother, mate. Nice morning.
Tell McGeaney I said hello.
Ever see
Oh.
Adding to the football, that one.
Football, man.
Roads down south are dead end. Roads up
Who's that?
north are shit.
Tower.
Big change, or big difference.
This Toberbury is halfway between us, Armagh, and Westport. It's a real good place to stop.
Trying to get rid of my white man finger. No, not white man finger.
White finger.
Dead
Good man, all the best, mate.
Dead white finger? Why is that so hard to remember?
Just can't hack it, you know what I
£15. I'm here.
mean? Leave it soft. But you'll harden up once you get out. You'll make a
Cheeky when mummy's not around, aren't you?
I can say what I want to you not here. You can't hear, man.
Brave man, aren't
I'm
you?
brave. Do you see what you see here? I'm like a mouse bite. Good luck, mate.
He is a tithead. Anywho, on down to Westport we go. If you've never been to Westport, I don't know what you've been up to, but I highly suggest it. It is a beautiful wee town. Actually, there's not a wee about it, but it is one of only the very few pre-planned towns in all of Ireland. The way it is laid out was planned that way to incorporate the river around it and everything. And also, if you use Botox, eye drops, a lot of medicines and medicinal stuff, products are all made down in Westport as well.
Give it a wee wave there, bye.
Alright, so then from Westport we are starting out towards, it's called the Atlantic Drive, but the first port of call will be Mulranny Beach. It's just basically massive stones, but the drive, all of the drives that we're going to be taking you now are stunning. And wouldn't you friggin' know as well, on the way out of here we had a drive in through Newport. What the hell did we get stuck behind? Have a guess. A fucking speeding van. Guys, the day that we ended up doing the next couple of days was about 30 degrees. It was absolutely insane. It was that clear of a sky. You could see airplanes left, right and centre. It was friggin' crazy. Stones having PTSD. Ooh. Oh, my arse tighten a bit.
Well, do you like your first stop?
Yes, although that was a bit fucking hairy there.
Ah, your wee girl doesn't like stones.
So sorry. I'm still not over that yet. Still can't believe I did that.
Anyhow, there's some spot, didn't you? Caroline, how are you at the mountain climbing?
Like a goat.
The way it works. Jeez, you're very elegant. Jeez, you're real elegant there.
I'd be fine.
Yeah.
It's only because you're here.
It's worth the effort. It's worth the effort.
Oh,
That class.
that's unreal.
Huh?
Have you been here before?
Yeah.
You climbed up here all by yourself before?
No, somebody had to take me by the hand.
The two of us fucking.
You see, when men were men, this is the way we used to walk. You put one foot in front of the other. Come on, missus.
Fuck, boy, you're like a bull in the china shop, boy. Look at the go with you. Come on.
Don't make me laugh, it's my weak spot.
Jesus.
You see, if I was swimming and someone made me laugh, I'd drown. I just lose everything. Well, at least I know if I go that it was one of you that did it, so right, we're going to take us right up the coast and we've got some class sites for us to see, but one of my personal favourites is Grace O'Malley's castle. We're going to show you the Spanish Armada discovery point, and we're going to end up at the top at Keem Beach, which everyone knows about, and then lastly Loch Carrymore Dam. am sorry, I don't know the name of this viewpoint. Have I zoomed in on that picture? Yes. Can I see the name properly? No, I cannot. Did I write it down anywhere? I absolutely didn't. But it is on part of that Atlantic Drive. Like, you will not miss it. And I'm going to stop talking now because what you're going to see is deadly. Yeah. Jesus Christ, my confidence in gravel is gone. Oh my god. Isn't he? Isn't he?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I wasn't here when it happened, like. But the set was in right here.
I don't know, you look old enough. Oh! You alright? Yeah.
Right, let's go.
Oh, that's
Things
it.
to do. and
Enough of
places
that.
to go.
And that little white bad boy in front is Achill Bridge, or it's actually known as Michael Davitt Bridge. But this is the single only way in and out of Achill Island. Alright, this is one of my favourite places. This is Castleingrania, also known as Grace O'Malley's Castle. It was built in around 1429 by the O'Malley clan, and it was later the stronghold of Grace O'Malley around 1530, who is of course our famous pirate queen. And then she also has a stronghold at Rockfleet on Clew Bay and Clare Island as well, but it's said that is actually where she is buried, and apparently was great friends with Elizabeth I because, you know, girls helping girls.
I can hear ya.
You won't be able to get it in. Give it.
Oh, you put your hand on it. Doesn't matter. Put it right up.
You can't do anything in here. Although you can see where there's stairs where it used to be. Back out.
Very good.
That was pure cinematic poetry, even if I do say so myself. Alright, on we go. Next, we're heading to... No, where are we going? How long? We'll miss somewhere. Ashleen. We're heading to Ashleen. I got it. No, it's with the leg. Yeah. I just seen it's different parts all over the island.
250,000 donkeys were on this island.
Mm-hmm.
You know what they were used for?
Carts.
And seaweed, I told you.
Seaweed.
Carrying seaweed.
Also, forgot to mention, do as we say, don't do as we do. We are very aware we are riding without gloves. We understand the health and safety. We understand the risks. We know it all. We still did it anyway. However, don't do it. We're telling you to be safe. We took off there and something hit my tummy. My phone was sitting there. I didn't even realise. I just shut it down. Funny enough, I understand Keem Beach, which is where we're going to, is one of the single most famous beaches in all of Ireland, if not most of the world. Everyone knows about it. But this location was actually one of my favourite stops out of the whole of Achill Island. It actually was, and I'm gonna let you see why. Now, this next clip I did in one take because between myself and my dad, anyone who's done the Achill Island videos, I have never seen anyone record this road. And oh my god, I wanted just to see this, so I did this in one take, no edits, to show you how windy this road is. Oh my god. In summertime, this place is jammed. And when I say jammed, I means she's jammed. Some people don't really like this wee road going down because it's very, very narrow. And if you're nervous with traffic and stuff, this is probably going to be your worst nightmare. But if you have a relation who doesn't give a shit, throw them in the front seat because it's worth it. Hit on someone, it's not gonna be me. Ha 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 ha. Fun. We picked someday to be in leather, didn't we?
I did put my finger there. I started.
Daddy, that's not the start button. That's the
And
start.
what's that button there?
That's to open that up for your charger.
Well, it seems to be.
That's
don't-
your on button.
Yes, I know that.
Yes. So
Right.
don't touch.
you want to take a few more steps forward? I'll get a nice picture of you.
You want to piss off? You go for a swim in that lovely warm water down there.
Look at it though.
He didn't fall for it. God damn it. I'll try again next time. On the way back from Keem Beach, you usually go straight here, but if you veer left, it is going to take you to Loch Carrymore Dam. I have never seen a sign for it. I did not even know this existed. But of course, in true daddy fashion, he just goes off on one and finds these things. So I followed him, and it was class.
Thank you.
Come on, Keem. Let's go. The blondie one used to ride the dragon.
Daenerys?
Daenerys.
You about to say Dolores? Daddy?
Yeah, see Daenerys coming out over there now.
Fucking Dolores.
Up on the main there.
And Dolores behind her.
Happy?
Yes, very happy. Happy daughter makes you live longer.
That's an actual scientific fact, just letting you know. Anyway, home time. So it took us just, I think, a little over an hour to get from Achill Island to, we stayed in Gisala, or Guisala, however you'd like to pronounce it, at the Eris Coast Hotel. And for us to get there, we travelled through the Ballycroy National Park. And like I said, the weather was incredible. We got the best day, the best temperature, clear skies. Like, Jesus, look at that.
Yeah, I brought mommy here. I pulled the camper right up here.
Are you right there, missus?
Yes, boss getting unloaded. God. Yeah. Thank you.
Well,
Oh,
what's your back?
it's just class because we've already been here because my stuff's there. I always go for the bathroom. Bit rough. Fuck. Right, us is parked up and we've just put on our wee locks. I've actually never used the locks before. Dad's is down there. Cheers. Yeah.
Another good day.
Oh yeah. What do we get?
I got burgers.
Oh yeah.
Horse it into you, girl, yeah. Come on, Cynthia. She's the girl for you.
Too busy answering our fan mail on
What's that?
YouTube. That's on. I did a wee video for the Northwest.
I know
on a
that
wee
one
mini
now. I know
one.
it. You do that there for me, will you? Look at the head and this here and the face of turnips. With a big red head on you.
So burnt.
Aren't they?
Just out for a walk, trying to get the dinner down.
Fucking not fit to move. Wedged.
That was some feed. Oh, that was a class feed. Oh, how long? Are we going around there or up in there?
No, go up to the bike here and then come back again.
Okay. Well,
She doesn't need to exercise a wee bit. Fucking hell.
friggin'
Wedged.
the feed was huge.
Ah, the food's lovely.
Ah, the food is class. Good Guinness as well.
Oh, the
Just
pints aren't bad either.
just checking on the bikes, and then we're going to bed. Looks good. Everything looks good. I'm back in again. That's our walk done.
That's it over.
That's our,
We're in the back.
That's our exercise. We're gonna figure out a route tomorrow. We have a rough idea of what we're doing, and it's not small. It's a big run.
I have a mountain pass
And
in
we
that
might-
as well.
Yes. So we're gonna do that now. Chances are we're gonna lie down. We ain't getting up again.
Talk to you tomorrow.
See?